Do you guys have an Amazon Fire TV stick? If so, turn off these options. Head over to the little settings icon on the far right there and come on down to preferences. Under preferences, there's privacy settings, data usage monitoring, notification settings, featured content, and sync. Privacy settings, device usage data. Use personal data collected by this operating system of the device for marketing and product improvement purposes. Turn it off. They don't need to see that at all. Collect app usage data. Again, turn it off. Interest-based ads. Unless you're into it, turn it off. Like, these things will slow down your Fire Stick quicker than everything else. Data usage monitoring. You want the monitoring on? I don't. Turn it off. Still watching? Sure. If you have movies or TV shows that you want to continue watching, you can leave that on. Notification settings, they don't need to pop up to bug you. Featured content, you can allow video to autoplay, allow audio to autoplay, up to you. Turn it off and then it won't worry. Sync recent content. If you have more than one Fire Stick in your home and you want to continue watching from a different TV to the next, like from the living room to your bedroom, keep it on. If not, turn it off. I don't have it on because I don't want these videos to interrupt my personal life. Well, personal life, right? All right, and pair control, so that's pretty much self-explanatory. All right, guys, take it easy. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace.